excited. We got our package in today. And this is something that I had mentioned on one of my earlier videos that we were going to try and get. And this is a dot sight for my Stover 3000. So let's take a look at what we got here. Got a hat. Comes with a hat. That's a nice hat. Alright, there we are. And here it is in the box. This is the Venom red dot. And this is from Vortex. So we're going to finally put a red dot on our shotgun. So excited about this. Good looking box, good looking packaging here. Kind of using it. All right. So here we got the opening of the box. It looks like we've got our instructions here. We've got our cleaner pad and some mounting screws. And then inside here is the actual, comes in this nice little carrying case here. We'll get this open here real quick. Maybe. There we go. We can put this back in here if we aren't using it. There's a screw loose. I wonder what that's for. Oh, okay. There's a spot for it over here. Alright. So here's the unit itself. Wow, look how small that thing is. That is tiny. So you've got the actual sight itself here. Look how small that is. Here's the mounting bracket for a Picatinny rail, which we will be using. We do have a rail on that gun right now, so I will bring that up and show you that real quick. Here you have a nice rubber cover to go over the unit. Just like that. So say you're going through the brush and stuff or going into your hunt, you can put that on there and not have to worry about scraping up your sight. Then you've got your multi-tool here. Got a couple different flat heads on it. And oh, here's your battery. So got the battery. And then you got some mounting screws here also. And then we've also got another wrench here. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the package. Alright, well, we've got our Picatinny rail already on the shotgun. That came in earlier. We ordered that through eBay or Amazon. I can't remember, one of the two. But we're going to go ahead and mount this to our bracket here. Take off the battery kit cover right here with the multi-tool. Go back underneath here. I should have all this ready, but I don't. So here we just have basically a watch battery. This is your standard size for about everything outdoors anymore that needs a watch battery. So we're going to go ahead and plop that down inside there. You can see it down in there. And we'll take our cover, put that back on there, get it started here. Alright, well, that was a chore. Let me tell you what. Vortex, you have got to work on that. Trying to get that battery in here was absolutely absurd. If I didn't have any patience, I would have thrown this thing across the room. It was pissing me off that bad. So just be aware, if you get one of these units, the battery cap does not want to go on at all with that battery. It will take you some time. So yeah, Vortex, work on that, please. But we're going to go ahead and just mount this on here. Now, I got to figure out where I want this. I don't see a lot of parallax with it. Oh, there's a little bit there. Let's see if we move that. You'll just have to get an idea of what feels best to you as far as how far up or how far back you want it. Let's move it up a spot here. There we go. I'm just going to mount it with my eyes closed. It's right there. Pull it up. Yeah, I think that's going to work. This Vortex Venom sighted in here. We're just going to put this target on this dead tree here, and hopefully we can get a good idea where this sight's hitting. And I think we're going to go back here about, I'm going to start at maybe 10 or 15 yards, 10. I think we'll go right back here to this tree here and just lean against it and shoot here. So I don't want to, and what we're shooting today is just going to be some number 2s, expresses, 2 3/4, cheaper loads, you know, instead of the big turkey load. We will shoot one of those once we get it finalized, but for now we're just going to shoot some 2 3/4 inch. These are 4s. Yeah, number 4s. So we'll start there. We haven't touched anything on this site. We haven't touched anything yet on this site, so have no idea where it's going to be, but I want to start close, so if it is way off, we're not unable to see where it's hitting on the tree. So alright, well, I think we've got this close here now. We've just kind of eyeballed it and bore sighted down this. We've just kind of looked down here, you know, at the low side, kind of lined up that dot with well, look to it that way. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, we're way left now. So this thing takes a little bit of finessing. It's, if you adjust a lot real quick, it's going to float, and it takes a bit for it to get to that point that you've adjusted to. So, all right, let me get my earplugs in. We'll see what it hits. I'm hoping we're really close. So we've got one of them number 2 expresses in here. I should be on the bench, to be honest with you, but well, that don't look too bad, does it? I think we got pretty darn... I'll put another one in there. Let's shoot a 4. Yeah, I would say we are pretty doggone good there. All right, well, here's the moment of truth. See if we got this thing close enough to kill a bird at 40 yards. Let's see if we got this close. So you can see here, we're going to shoot off of here, and there's our target down here. It's about 40 yards, so we're going to take that turkey load. I'm going to shoot that and see how we come out. See if we get some on paper here. All right, we're going to turn the... I'll just set this down over here somewhere. I'm going to set it. Let's give it a whirl here, see what we got. So we got a 3-inch, number 5. This is what we normally shoot turkeys with. It's what we took our first turkey with this year. If I can find it in this mess of shells. I'll put it in a different pocket. Always something, isn't it? Always something. There it is. Alright. You see here we got the number 3, or 3-inch. Got 3-inch number 5. 40 yards. See what it does. Alright, well, that looks like it's a little bit left. Wish I had another one with me, but I only brought one because these are expensive to shoot. But that's at 40 yards. I'm not going to complain. Up and down is perfect, I think. Or left and right. You need to come to the right, so. I'm going to shoot one of these 2s at it and see what it does. See if I can hit that from here with the 2. Let's see if we can pepper that other side. Yeah, it looks like it moved over. Go down and take a look at it. Gun's clear. Here was the majority of the 5-shot, and then when we moved it over a couple clicks, we got in here with that 2. So yeah, I think that will definitely kill at 40, 50 yards. That's a pretty good poke with a factory turkey choke. So I'm happy with that. And if we have to fine tune, you know, I'm not counting on taking any shots over 20, 30 yards, but you know, you never know. It's good to have that sighted in, yeah, a little bit further out. But the adjustments on that Venom are pretty simple. You can actually see. One thing I'll tell you, it is, you know, you got to think opposite with that. It's kind of like having a hard sight. You know, your left is right and right and left, I believe. So that's kind of the way this thing's acting. So if I'm having to go left, I'm turning it right, and vice versa. But yeah, we've got that on paper pretty good now. So yeah, I definitely think with a 3-inch shell and 5-shot or so, that shrinks that pattern down quite a bit, and we should be good. If we have to fine tune it next year, we can, but we've got one more hunt this year, and the weather is, today's, you know, overcast pretty bad, but it's nice and calm and really nice out actually. So today would have been a great day to get out and turkey hunt. Get a chance, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support the channel as much as you can. Just take a couple seconds here and just hit that like button and hit the subscribe button here at the end. So, alright, hopefully this video, like I said, was helpful for somebody. And we're going to get out of here and go do some fishing maybe. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.